Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening a Ipsy package, and this is going to be our October unboxing for Ipsy. I've been gone a while, as I've already explained to you in another video, but we are going to be opening this today. Honestly, you guys, I have been gone. I have been in New York, then I went to LA, but all my packages were coming to Houston. So I'm finally back and I'm finally able to open this just for you. I have not opened this. I do not know what's inside. I waited specifically for you guys so I can open it. We can open it together. So let's see what's inside. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Especially since I've been MIA, okay? So let's see what we got in here. What I realized with the last Ipsy package is that they do not have an itemized list for all the products that are inside. So I don't know the MSRP unless I go back and research it. And since I open it with you guys, I'm not able to tell you within the videos. Down below, I will be putting in the link description box a link to the product where it'll also show the MSRP for these things. But yeah, you get like this card. I just really thought this card would have everything on it, but it doesn't, so that's kind of disappointing. So this is the bag this month. It's the theme is called Your Magic, or yeah, I think that's actually the theme is Your Magic, because that seems like what's on all the cards is magic. So let's see what we got in this bag, shall we? Oh my god, I'm dropping things already. Alright, so the first thing that we have in here is Yensa's Color Plus Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow 8 Super Black Essence. And this is what the packages look like. It has black sesame oil, black seaweed, black tea, shiitake mushrooms, black rice, Korean black raspberry, nettle, and chia seeds. So it seems like everything that is black. Although, what color is shiitake mushrooms? Are they black? I'm kind of curious. Are they black? I'm gonna Google that after this. Alright, come out. So this refines, smooth, and even skin tone in one step. Formulated with 8 super black essence, this primer blurs imperfections and prolongs foundation wear. It's a sun tone up primer. It moisturizes and preps skin for makeup and increases longevity of foundation, blurs imperfection, fine lines, and wrinkles, provides brighter and even skin tone, helps minimize the appearance of pores, powered by 8 super blacks essence, and nourishes skin with superfoods. Alright, well, let's just give this a try. So it pretty much looks the same as what the box already shows. So cute. Alright, so I'm gonna just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Like that's it. It doesn't really smell like anything. More like clay. Yeah, I would say like clay. That's about it. It's very creamy. It seems like it takes a minute to even like rub in. I don't know if that's good or not, because that tells me my skin is like not absorbing it. It's just not rubbing it at all. Yeah, that's a funny smell. But I don't know if I like it. Even from here, I can see like where it made my hand white. But then again, it's a primer, so you're still going to be putting on your foundation and everything on top of it. Alright, so yeah, I'm not really feeling this, but you know, maybe I'll give it a try. I mean, it had so many natural products in it that I feel bad for not giving it a try. Like, maybe it'll do wonders to my skin. Like, who knows? I want to try it. The next thing is the LoveCraft Beauty Highlighter Palette. Well, that just slipped out of the package. But anyways, this is what it is. So this is the highlight. Okay, I'm going to be honest. This doesn't look that pigmented for me. But let's just give it a nice little swatch. So let's try Aurora. This one is Aurora. And this is Borealis. So let's try Aurora. Yeah, that one is definitely meant for Caucasians. That's not going to do well for me. And then this is Borealis. It doesn't really pop on my skin. Can y'all even see that? Yeah, like it's like legit right here, and it doesn't even pop up on my skin. This is meant for Caucasians, but that's okay. So the next thing that we have in our Ipsy October bag is our double feature half cake lip fondant and gloss, which it looks like this. So inside it looks like there is two different I can't get this one out. Alright, so we have two different ones. One of them is the half cake. It doesn't even have anything on the label at all, but it does have a name, and it's called ASAP. Hope y'all can see that. If not, it's really tiny, but it's called ASAP. And let's just try it out. So I'm just going to swatch on the back of my hand. That is super pigmented. Like, it looks more red on camera, but it's actually like more of like a pink flamingo kind. No, not even a flamingo. I don't know. It's like a reddish pinkish color. But it's more than a lip stain. Wow, it actually is like almost a lipstick. But it's very velvety, so it's easy to apply, but I'm not really a big fan of this color. I don't really like reds or super pinks. It's not really my thing. I like more of a brown lip. So I don't know how often I would use this, but it smells really good. Like brown sugar cookie-ish. Yeah, vanilla-ish. That smells really good, but maybe that's why it's called half cake. So that smells amazing. And then the next one is Instant Crush, which it looks like it's more of a gloss. And the actual name of it is Rich Rich. I like that. We like Rich Rich. And ooh, this one smells like strawberries. Okay. So it comes off really, can y'all see that? It's so clear. There it goes. It comes off kind of frosty, but it's definitely a very, very clear lip gloss, but it smells much better. Oh my god, that smells great. Alright, so the next thing that we have in our product, hold on. Oh, this does not want to come off my hand. Okay, so clearly it's going to take all of your Neutrogena wipe to take this off, because it does not want to come off. So that's almost like a lip stain. So I wouldn't kiss anybody if I were y'all, because it will definitely leave a permanent mark for sure. Okay, so the next thing we have is Dr. Brandt's PoreDermabrasion, which is a pore perfecting exfoliator, exfoliant. Oh wait, that's in Spanish. I knew that. It's a pore perfecting exfoliator. It helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, and helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. I have never heard of the Dr. Brandt brand until the packages I get. So I see now that they're kind of popular. This smells just super clean. Oh, that is nice. Can y'all see that? So it feels like sugar or sand. Oh my god, that feels amazing though. Yes. Okay, Dr. Brandt, if that's how you say it. I hope I'm saying it right. But that feels really amazing. But it's not like too abrasive. I know they say any sort of like facial cleansers that you use, they shouldn't be like the little beads and stuff, because that's actually really harsh for your skin and really dries it out and actually can leave marks on your skin. Like, I forgot the specific terminology that they use, but it basically looks like scratching all on your skin. This is more like a sugar scrub. They're so tiny, but they feel so good. Oh, I want to really try that, because I have oily skin, so I like more products that have that exfoliant in it. So I'm definitely going to try that. So I recommend that. Even though I haven't tried it yet, I recommend it for us oily skin people. Alright, so the last thing that we have is the Nomad Berlin Underground. So I've never heard of this brand at all, but this is definitely what it looks like. It's kind of cool in a way. So it's really huge. I mean, like, do y'all see how huge this is? So it's definitely an eyeshadow palette for sure. Let's give it an open. Wow. They're very earth tone colors. I really love that gold right there in the middle. What's the name of it? Ooh, Pore but Sexy. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely a huge palette with 15 different colors, but I just want to know like how it's going to, just on my finger alone, my god. It's super pigmented. I never find yellows that pop up that great on my skin. Let me try a different color, because that could have been a fluke. Is this black? Well, damn. Okay. Yes. Even though this is one of those palettes that you already have all these colors, but I do like how pigmented this is. However though, I did see that on the package that it's a special edition Ipsy, so you can only get it via Ipsy. And it's not for sale, so that's definitely good to know. So there is no way you can get this anywhere else or buy it. It's specifically for Ipsy, so I feel all special and stuff, but you know what, it's Christmas. I feel like this is about to be the perfect stocking stuffer, because I just already have these colors and some really amazing palettes, but I am going to do a good beautiful look to it. But this is, yeah, I like that. Alright, so that's it for our Ipsy bag. This was the October bag, but as y'all know, I've been traveling so much, so I haven't been able to do any of the videos, so I waited specifically for this moment to make this video with you and open everything. So I'm a little backed up, but we're going to definitely catch up. But that was the October one, and I think that was a really good bag. I mean, from the very good skin exfoliator to the palette, like, I think this bag was really good this month. So I'm looking forward to see what's in the next month's which will be November, and we're going to be doing that video next week. So definitely come back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you press that notification bell so that way you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'm going to see you guys next week. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
Just do it. Just go.
Just do it.
Just go.
Just do it. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So.
What's happening? You were there.
All right. So our neck. I can't do it.
You can do it.